Here's a quick description of homework set number 3 for ECE 476-676, Advanced Embedded Systems. To get to the homework, if you go to Bison Academy, 476, week number 3, we're looking at binary outputs, binary inputs, serial I/O. So here's the lectures, recorded lectures, sample code. Come up with an embedded system built around the Raspberry Pi Pico that does some of this. For this semester, it's Morse code. So the first problem is just set up your Pico board so that when I hit a button, it goes beep. Then manually I can do Morse code like beep, 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 stuff like that. Once I get that, manually output NDSU. So that'd be beep, 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 like that. That'd be NDSU in Morse code. Problem 3 is an iambic paddle. Oh, and this code right here, when I output different messages, this is the Morse code for the different letters. Problem 3 and 4 is iambic paddle. What iambic paddle does is has two buttons. One of them does a dit, the other one does a beep dash. So if you hold the dit down, it goes dit, 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 dit. Hold the dash down, it goes dee, 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 dee. By doing that, I can just kind of switch between the two and get much more consistent dits dashes. Again, for Morse code, the standard is a dit is 1 unit at a time, a dash is 3 units at a time. Space between letters is 3 units at a time. So if I have a dit being 200 milliseconds, a dash would be 600 milliseconds, pause, 600 milliseconds, 200 milliseconds between letters. This is another way to do Morse code that kind of speeds it up and gives you much more consistent keying. Write this code and using this one, output NDSU. Finally, here's the fun part. Write a program that has you input using the keyboard in the prompt. I can prompt for message like 3 rings for the Elven Kings or NDSU. Hit return and it receives that string. Once I receive that string, it will generate the code automatically. So if I have NDSU, it'll know that's a dash dit, dash dit dit, dit dit dit, dit dit dash. Output that message, then prompt for a new string. This way I can sit there and type, and it will output Morse code automatically, only being exceedingly consistent because it's controlled by a computer. The dual of this, receiving Morse code, we'll leave for a later assignment, possibly. That's when I receive Morse code, converting it to the letters. But that'll be a different problem. So that's homework set number 3 for ECE 476. This is kind of similar to most of the homework sets. In this course, Advanced Embedded, it's build something. Do something useful with your Pi Pico. And this week, it's play around with Morse code, building Morse code generators using a Raspberry Pi Pico.